Hi, my name is Sherra and I have been at Villa Montessori. I can't know for sure if it's 24 or 25 years. I was really lucky and stumbled upon Montessori when I was 16 in high school, and I worked at another Montessori school for 4 or 5 years as an assistant. Decided this was definitely my passion. Went to Boulder, Colorado and did my training and have been here at Villa ever since. So I also have 2 daughters, both which started at 6 months old. One is now a sophomore in high school, and she went all the way up through Villa, starting at 6 months and graduated 8th grade. Then I have another one who's now currently in 2nd grade. So this is definitely my family here, and plan on being here until at least my second one finishes up through Villa. So now I'm going to give you a peek into our world, how we introduce culture and geography to this age level of primary students. So the way we talk about the animals at this level, in the beginning for like the 3 and 4-year-olds, of course the 5-year-olds too can do this, but they learn the parts of the animal. So, you know, the parts of a turtle, the parts of a fish. So the 5 different animals, there's mammal, fish, reptile, amphibian, and birds. So we do these 3-part cards for all of those. And then in the spring, we might introduce butterflies and ladybugs and do parts of those types of animals. Then the animals moves up into the higher level of learning more detail about the animal with what a specific animal from each continent eats, and what, you know, they pick an interesting fact and they record that, and the biome that it lives in, is it's the tropical forest or the desert. So that is more for the older kindergartners as they're getting ready for 1st grade, kind of reading and able to do that type of research. The world we introduce with first the maps. Mostly we talk about the names of the continents, and they start punching out the continents, and then once they have all their continents punched out of that construction paper, they would paint the ocean for both sides, and then they glue on those continents. For a younger person, they punch out the continents, and they might not label the continents, but as they get older and more familiar with their writing and proper letter formation, they would actually label the continent. Then we go into a little bit further with the places from each continent. So if you have a box or a way of, they contain all the information for each continent, like the special landmark type places and some animal 3-part matching cards, and maybe looking at the flags of each continent from the countries. If they've done their world map, then they might choose to also learn the countries of North America and do that map. And it just kind of depends on the level of, you know, interest from the child. If they want to keep going and do another continent, they might do South America next, and then they might do 1 or 2 more. But as they get older, they do get more interested in that.
The children also study the physical features of the earth with the geography materials. These materials expose children to landforms, bodies of water, and the elements of our climates. Children are introduced to botany at this age through a variety of materials. These materials include the botany cabinet, parts of the tree, and parts of the flower. Children learn the life cycle of a seed and are able to apply botany concepts while working hands-on in the garden and caring for classroom plants.